On an ordinary April evening in Hialeah, Florida, a white Nissan SUV entered a residential intersection at 83 miles per hour. There was no warning, no chance to react. In seconds, 3 generations of one family were destroyed.
She's like yeah, I'm gonna breathe in.
We gotta get a bullet.
On April 23, 2024, 15-year-old Michael Santi Esteban took his father's SUV without permission. No license, no experience, no legal right to drive. He invited 2 friends along for what investigators later called a joyride. Within minutes, the SUV was traveling nearly 3 times the speed limit in a quiet residential area. At the same time, approaching that same intersection from a cross street was a Toyota Corolla. Inside a Toyota Corolla were 3 women from the same family: Yina Garcia Hernandez, 39, driving; her aunt, Gloria Hernandez Molina, 71, and Yina's mother, Liliana Hernandez Molina, 66. Surveillance later showed Yina fully stopped at the stop sign, then slowly entering the intersection, unaware of the SUV approaching at impossible speed. The collision was instant. The Corolla was thrown into a fence, crushed beyond recognition. First responders arrived to chaos.
There's 3 unconscious females and a white car in here.
3?
3 unconscious.
We're gonna have 3 unconscious females in one of the cars.
Gasping for air.
One of the
Passenger
vehicles
may be
went
dead,
inside
and there's a person in the
fence.
back seat we can't reach.
Let's have rescue, obviously.
Open this door. There you go. You're sitting on the floor. Oh my God. Oh, pobrecita. Oh, pobrecita.
¿Cómo estás, Mima? ¿Tú me oyes?
Yeah.
Jody, what do you have there? Jody, what do you have on that side?
There's a lady.
I know, yeah, I see it.
Una señora que está desmayada. El driver está desmayado.
Okay. Jody, take her seatbelt off. You can't?
No, you can't. You can't. The door's smashed.
I got it. She's breathing. She's breathing.
Mima. That one I couldn't get a pulse. No breathing, no pulse as far as I could tell.
Yes, Hey, give me the air. One of the passengers not alert, not conscious, and not breathing. Driver is not alert, not conscious, but she's breathing. Passenger in the back, not alert, not conscious, and breathing. Yeah, on the floor.
She's on the floor right here.
Jordy. Okay. Seatbelt off. Okay, her we can't do much about because she's strapped. ¿Tú me oyes? She's breathing, Jordy. She's breathing. Fuck. Jordy, can you move the seat to the front a little bit? You can't? Yeah, this one's breathing, Jordy.
Yeah, she's breathing. She's hyperventilating. Can you get her out?
I can't. She's trapped within
The
the seat.
driver vomited.
I cannot take her out.
The driver vomited. Okay.
Let them do their job. Thank you.
Yeah, they're there. Sergeant, point them over here. Jordy, listen to me. We can't do nothing about it. The only thing we can do about
We got 3 people here unconscious.
rear passenger, she's breathing still. Agana breathing. Front right passenger, I think she's. One in the back breathing. Passenger in the front not breathing. Driver's breathing.
Yina Garcia Hernandez and Gloria Hernandez Molina were pronounced dead at the scene. Liliana Hernandez Molina was airlifted in critical condition.
This one, I think we can carry her out. This one, this one we can carry out for sure, bro. She's agona breathing. She's like yeah, agona breathing.
We gotta get a bullet. Which one's 45?
That one, yours. Watch out with the brass behind you, bro.
John, you want me to pull a line just in case?
5257 in the parking lot, 7996 West 293.
Yeah, if we can.
From 98 apartment. 102 is going to be a white Toyota Camry and a white Nissan van. 2005.
Yeah, do you want our hydraulics too?
For the patient? No, let's pull them out. The straps aren't all intact. I had to yank it out of there. Tight. Okay. Hold on, get some close. Yeah. You got the board? Yeah, we got a board.
Go.
She would fight for her life for 5 months before passing away. 3 women, 1 family, gone.
Before any questionings, if you desire, do you understand this?
Yes.
If you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you still have the right to stop answering questions at any time and until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand this?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So basically, looks like you were involved in a car crash. Do you remember where exactly it happened?
It was right like 2 blocks from my house. I don't remember that. Like,
You don't remember the avenue or streets?
Yeah,
Or what direction you were going?
5th Street.
5th Street?
Yeah.
Okay. And do you remember what direction you were going?
I was going the direction down towards my house.
So you're on 6th Street, 5th Street, southeast. So you were going southbound,
Yeah, I think it,
like towards Okeechobee.
yeah.
Okay. What kind of car were you driving?
2019 Nissan Murano.
Okay. And do you have a license? Okay. How did you end up behind the wheel of the car?
I called my sister and I asked her like, where she was. My friends, like, they told me they were outside, and then I told one of my friends, I was like, oh, do you want to go for a ride? And from there, I just went out and went for a ride.
Whose car is it?
My sister's.
Your sister's? Okay. All right. So as you're heading southbound on, not 5th Street, because 5th Street goes east and west.
I think it was.
Were you like on a main avenue?
No, I think it was 6.
Okay. What happened? What do you remember?
I was just coming down. I see the car, like he completely took the stop sign. I thought he saw me. I let off the gas. I didn't brake or anything. When I pressed on the brake, it was already too late.
Okay.
And I crashed into the car.
What direction was he crossing? From right to left or left to right?
From right to left.
So he was going, if you're going southbound, he's going eastbound?
Yeah.
Okay. After the crash, what happened? Actually, were you driving with the windows up or down? If you remember?
I think they were up. No, the 2 front windows were down.
Down? Okay. And you had the radio on?
No.
No? Alright, so after the crash, what happened?
I got out the car. I went to the back seats. I got one of my friends out. I tried going around to get my other one out. The door was locked, so I went back and I told them to come up to here.
Okay. What injuries did you suffer?
The
The wrist?
on my head, it just Like I felt the impact of the steering wheel here,
Okay.
and then it just hurts here for the seatbelt.
All right. So after that, who called the police? Did you guys or somebody else?
My phone, like it was on the floor in the car. It started calling by itself, but I canceled it. And then there was a bunch of people that came out and they started calling. I called my dad. I told him. He came, and then I talked to my sister and everything. That's about it.
Let's see. Is it okay? I know in the hospital here they probably drew blood, right?
Yeah,
Do you give consent for us to test the blood?
yeah.
We can do that? Okay. Have you been drinking at all or smoking or anything?
I mean, I vape.
No, vape. I'm saying like
All that. No,
no drugs or anything?
no.
Okay. Do you remember about how fast you were going?
45, 50. I don't know if I was going over it. I think that's how much I was going.
Okay.
Not sure.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. You think there is something else that I haven't asked you that would be important for the case?
Michael told detectives he didn't remember how fast he was going. He claimed the other car ran the stop sign, but the vehicle's black box told the truth. 5 seconds before impact, 72 miles per hour. 4 seconds, 75 miles per hour. 3 seconds, 79 miles per hour. 2 seconds, 83 miles per hour, in a 30-mile-per-hour zone. Investigators concluded, had he been driving the speed limit, the crash would not have happened. Michael was charged as an adult. He pleaded guilty to 3 counts of vehicular homicide. 15 years in prison, 15 years probation. He will not be free until his 30s. A moment of speed, a lifetime of loss. 3 generations erased, at 83 miles per hour. Do you want more crime incidents like this one? Subscribe to Operation Bodycam and never miss the next moment caught on Bodycam.